video I am showing colors of refrigerator, double door refrigerator in Godrej, Samsung, LG, Hitachi. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please watch full video and subscribe channel. These are LG. 400 liters capacity, 450 liters capacity. This 423 liters capacity. New 2022 model. Wi-Fi. This convertible refrigerator. Copper color. This is 340 liters capacity LG, this model. It's around 30,000, 2022 launch. These are 348 liters capacity, 2-star. It's not preferable because 2-star 258 is very high, but storage level is very good. Storage purpose is very good. 2-star, 248 liters. See the difference. This is 258, this is 248, just 10 units. See the capacity, height. Okay, that's why it's not preferred. This one is good. For this size, this is better. If you want in more size, the price is 5,000 extra. LG new models, best selling models. This one 260 liters, 198 units, 3-star rating, best model. Maximum black color is preferable in office, commercial, and somewhat interior black color loving people, they will go for this model. And this is LG indoor refrigerator. If any kids are there in your home, otherwise you don't, every time if you don't like this type of model, you can go with this model. It is more durable. Okay, this is around 26,000. Samsung 2-star, this model. This is also 26,000, 2-star rated. Okay, blue color. See, digital inverter. This is a old model, 2-star, but it is continuing. Okay, maximum colors are preferred due to home purpose only. Maximum they will use, matching to the kitchen colors, so that when you are choosing a refrigerator, keep it in mind and choose your best refrigerator. These are the Samsung are the best running models, 3-star rated, 324 liters capacity. It is around 29,000. Fast selling model in this segment for 3 or 4 people. This is the best model. Again, in this card master option is there. Power consumption also very less. It will run in an inverter, my home inverter, and compressor is a home inverter compressor, so that no need of any stabilizer. These refrigerator for 4 people or 5 people is enough. Now we are going to Whirlpool. If your choice is for freezer, you need more freezer, you can choose this type of refrigerator, completely freezer. Whirlpool is best brand, US brand. Whirlpool, this is the freezer model. Freezer part is given very big. 324 liters capacity, 12 to higher. What a colorful design for entertainment near the if you keep this refrigerator beside swimming pool or in a blue atmosphere loving people, you can go for this. Hair is all our hair brands. 643 liters capacity is priced around 35,000 to 40,000. Hair is a very big brand. It is a mirror model. See the colors, how beautiful hair, same color. 3-star rated, 184 units capacity, very nice. It's around 32,000. This type of refrigerator you don't keep in a kitchen, maximum you get in your hall, front home. All are converter models and inverter series. Lloyd. These are for big families, group families. See how big is 630 liters capacity, very big. Samsung, LG, Samsung. This refrigerator around 54,000. This one is around 35,000. How big also is 35,000 because it is 2-star rated. All are converter models. This is Card Mastro. See, Samsung model 2-star, free black. How beautiful it is. No need of mirror to purchase at home. Smart LG refrigerator. This is new 2022 model. Door in door.